Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to explain how to create a window function in Synapse or in Azure Data Factory data transformation. So first of all, what is window function? What are the types of window function? I already explained and created multiple videos. So I will paste the link to understand what is window function, what kind of what kind of output this window function gives. But in this video, I will just explain how to create window function in Synapse or in Azure Data Factory data flow transformation. Okay, so let me remove unnecessary things. So this is I already created a window function. So instead of using reuse, I can create new one. Let's click on plus, then search for window. Okay, this is the plus sign. Click on plus, then search for window. Click on window. Okay. Now after clicking, okay. So let me show you the syntax of window function. Then I will explain how to create here. Okay. The syntax of window function is just assume we are creating a window function on sum. Okay, so syntax will be like that: over partition by any column name. Okay, and then order by is optional, any column name, and then one more thing, range. Okay, so let's understand everything here now. Okay, so this is the example of window function based on sum. Okay, so we have a window function for all kind of aggregate like sum, average, max, mean, and NTILE. For many functions, we have a window function. Okay, so that everything I already explained in my previous videos. I will paste link here, but here I am going to explain how to do in Synapse or in Azure Data Factory. Okay, so after over we have to give partition by. Okay, so in the over we have to select column that will represent partition by. Okay, 1 minute, it's a bit small, let me make small. My system is just, my laptop size is a bit small. So location ID I am going to use as a partition by. Okay, so the first one is done. Order by is optional. Okay, this sorting is optional, but still we can choose. Okay, no problem. Let's take a vendor ID as a sorting. Okay, now next we have to select a window column. So here we need to give a column name. So let's give the column name group sum. Okay, so anything we can give. Now expression. So here sum is the expression. In sum we need to give some value. Okay, here I am giving fair amount. So I want to calculate the sum of fair amount for any particular window. Okay, so I may confuse in this, but in this video I am just explaining how to create in Synapse or in Azure Data Factory pipelines. Okay, but what is window function? How does it work? Everything I explain in my videos. I will paste the link. Okay, I don't want to repeat the same thing here. Here I am just explaining how to do in Synapse or in Azure Data Factory. Okay, so now here we need to give some expression, some fair amount. Okay, some fair amount. So like that. The first part, this one, this first part, I pasted here, and after over partition by, I given here. Okay, and then in the sorting, we can see here in the window function. After that, we have call order by. Sorry, this is wrong. Order by. We need to give any column name. Okay, order by any column. Okay, any column name. So for this part we written here, and the next is range by. Okay, so range by is actually optional. Okay, So when we choose unbounded preceding and unbounded following, then either sum, max, mean, any kind of aggregate function calculation happen for that particular windows. Okay, not for one or two value. So what does it mean? I will explain. Okay, so now I have chosen unbounded. Okay, so let's see the output with unbounded. Then I will select I will unmark and will choose another option. Okay, now uh, partition by PU location ID. Okay, come to data preview, refresh. Okay. Yeah. So now we can see partition by we did PU location ID. So 51 is one location ID, 7 is one location ID. So all same location ID comes under one window. So the 51 is one window, or 7 is in one window. Okay, for all PU location ID the sum of fair amount will show. Okay, so here we can see group sum 50. Let me explain you in another way. So this, where is my fair amount? Yeah, okay. So this is PU location ID. We have a uh, two PU location ID where value is 51. So this two same value comes under one window. Okay, so for this 51 window, we can see for first the value is 7, for second the value is 8. So sum is giving for this window. Okay, so 7 plus 8 is equal to, we can see 15. So it is giving 15. Okay, now next come for the second window. Okay, so for PU location ID value 7 is another window. So let's calculate how many we have. We have multiple 7. So for multiple 7, what is happening? It is giving fair amount. It is calculating the sum of fair amount for all location ID where value is equal to 7. Okay, now if we come right, we can see the value is 124 for Windows 7, because 121 is the sum of fair amount where location ID is equal to 7. 7 is one window. Okay, let me explain you here again. Just assume, just assume uh, this is location ID. Okay, assume this is location ID. Okay, one location ID, one location ID, then two, 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 2. Okay, and assume the fair amount is 3, 4, and then 6, 8, 9, 7. Okay, so when we do partition by location ID, then same value comes under one window. So this 2 is one window. Okay, let's mark it something. This is one window, this is another window. Okay, now let's change the color. Now when we do sum, okay, what happened? It is adding, it is doing sum of one window. So here the value will be 7. For this window the sum value will be 7. For another window, what would be the sum value? Let's see, 30. Okay, 30, 30, 30, 30, like that. Okay, so if we have any other location ID, then again we have to calculate. Okay, so but leave two example is enough. So like that it is giving the value. Okay, now again come to the window setting, come to the range. So here we have selected unbounded. Okay, preceding and unbounded following. Let's remove this. Okay, now we need to set offset. So now we are changing this. Okay, what happened? I will just let me select, then I will explain you. Here I am selecting start offset, end offset. Okay, so now instead of calculating sum for the entire window, it will calculate sum for one previous one, current one, and then one next one. Okay, let's understand. So for this value, there is a no previous one. Okay, and the current value is 3 and next value is 4, sum is 7. For this one, for window 1 and for the second row, there is a one previous value called 3 and current value 4. There is a no next value, so current value plus previous value 7. Okay, now here the value will change. Let me show you how. For this current value is 2 and for the this window there is a no previous value because this is a starting point. Okay, so the current value is 6, next value is 8. Okay, and there is a no previous value for this window. I mean there is no previous value for this row. Okay, in this window, let me explain this. Insert 1, this is window 1, this is window 2. Okay, in the window 2 for first value there is a no previous value, this is first one, and its current value is 6 and next value is 8, so 6 plus 8 is equal to 14 only. Now for this, current value is 8, previous value is 6, 8 plus 6 14, and next value is 9, 8 plus 6 14 plus 9 23, like that. Okay, now because we have selected offset 1 1, so what is happening, it is looking for one previous value, current value, next one value. For here current value is 9, previous value is 8, 17, next value is 7, 24. And now for this, current value is 7, previous value is 9, 7 plus 9 16, there is no next value, so here it will be 16. Okay, so instead of 1 1, if we select 2, what will happen? So what will happen, it will look for one previous value, current value, next two value. Let's remove this. No, for this one there is a no previous value. Okay, current value is 6, next value is 8, and second next value is 9, 8 9 17 6 23. Okay, let's remove now. Now for this, previous value is 6, current value is 8 14, next value is 9 23, another next value is 7, 7 9 16 8 24 30. Okay, now for this it has current value 9, previous value 8, 987, next value is 724, but it does not have one more next value. Okay, so it will calculate till here. So like that it works. Okay, so let's see here, come to the data preview. In the data preview, 451 we don't have anything. Okay, like because we have a 2 value, so it is giving 15. So but we can see the value got changed. Hold on, we need to refresh. Okay, if we refresh, we will see how the value gets changed. Now we will see we can see how the earlier it was 1 2 1 for all. Now it is changed. How it is changed, let's see. We have given offset 1 1. Okay, so for this there is a no previous value. Okay, for the first 7 there is a no previous value, only current value is 10 and next value is 7. So for this the value should be 17. Let's see, we can see 17. Okay, now for the second 7, okay, the previous value is 10, current value is 7, 17, and next value is 24. So 24 17 41. For this it value value should be 41. We can see 41. So let's see one more example. For the third one, current value is 24, previous value is 7. 31, next value is 19, means it should be 50. We can see 50. So this is the way it work. Okay. So either we work with without any range, okay, without any range, then we have to select unbounded. So in this case, what will happen? Sum will happen for entire windows. Okay. So assume location ID 7 is one window. Then sum will happen for all, can say the sum will happen for this entire window where value is equal to 7. Okay. But instead of this, we can give start or end offset. So we can decide how many row should be considered in sum or any other kind of aggregate. So in this example, I calculated sum, but we can calculate any other kind of window functions, sorry, any kind of function, like we can use max, we can use mean, we can use average, we can use count also. We have multiple functions, aggregate function, that we can use in window function to calculate sum or any kind of aggregate value based on window. Okay. So this is all about how to create a window function in Synapse or in Azure Data Factory data transformation. Thank you.